Aloha all, Jackie here, coming on to share a quick tutorial on a card that I cased from Karen, Titus, and Tim, Stampin' on the Back Porch. I saw this design and wanted to make a card for you folks, or with you folks. And we're using the Flower Field Designer Series paper, and I actually shared this in the haul video that I had. You can get this paper free with a $50 Stampin' Up order before shipping, handling, and taxes, and you can choose this paper. Isn't it nice? It's a nice piece of paper. You can choose that as your celebration product, and we're gonna be using a half sheet of black cardstock. We're gonna be using a piece of the Designer Series paper, white cardstock, and I'm also gonna be needing a circle die that I did not have prepared for you. So I need to go ahead and get that actually cut up, and I'm going to bring in the mini Stampin' Cut emboss machine to help me out with that. So let's go ahead and get that cut out. So I'm going to need a plate 1, a plate 2, and the cardstock and the die. And then I'm gonna push that through. This is a white circle, layering circles. I'm also gonna be needing the scallop circle. So I'm grabbing that. And that is out of black cardstock. So I'm grabbing the black cardstock right here. Oops, dropped my bone folder. I'm sending that through. Okay, we're done with the mini Stampin' Cut emboss machine, and then let me bring this back in. I took this off because if not, then the machine would not use its sticky grips and stick to the table. Now I'm gonna bring in or bring back the paper cutter, and going to take the Designer Series paper that was cut at 5 1/4 by 4. I'm going to take an inch off of one side, just looking to see which is up, which is down, if it matters. And then also with my base card, I'm going to take an inch off there also. There was an inch measurement on this side of my trimmer. Then I am going to pick up my bone folder and burnish edge there. I am going to grab my piercing and stamping mat, and then get the colors Memento Black, Tuxedo Ink, and Flirty Flamingo, along with the stamping pad. Did I mention we're going to be using 2 Wild Rose stamp set? We're going to be using Blessed to Be Your Friend. Ink up my stamp, stamp it down, and then I'm going to need the black. Nice, nice. Okay. I am going to take a white cardstock that is also cut at 4 inches by 5 1/4, taking the 1-inch Designer Series paper strip, putting some adhesive or glue. I am going to put it here all the way to the edge of the white inner cardstock. And I forgot to take this. And I was going to score this in half at 2 3/4 with the scoring blade. And then cut off a piece of it as I do not need the entire piece. Fold that there. And then put this on the edge of this card base, the bottom part. I am bringing the fold as far to the edge as I can without going over. And then the inside layer. Putting glue, and then I will put this also on the inside of the card. And then this piece, which is now 3 by 5 1/4, get some glue on there. Put that on the front of the card. Just like that. Hold this here and put a little piece of glue there with my sentiment, bringing it back in, putting it here, holding it for a little bit, black scallop, putting glue on that, taking this part of the card and centering it on the scallop, holding that there for a little bit. Oh. And then there we have it. That's our card. How do you guys like that? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for visiting and watching my video today. If you need any of this Stampin' Up! Products, celebration starts on January 5th. Visit my website. Thanks again for joining me. Come back soon.